Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talking.
Hi, it's Olivia here.
And I'm David. Olivia, you look very happy today.
Yes, because we have a great story.
That's right. Today is special.
David, tell them, where were we?
We were on a farm
Yes, a real farm in the village.
with animals, vegetables, and many funny moments.
So funny.
Before we start, please subscribe to our channel
Yes, click subscribe.
and like this video.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Olivia, let me ask you something.
What?
Have you ever been to a village before?
When I was very young, but I don't remember much.
Me too. I went to a village once, many years ago.
So this was like the first time for us,
Yes, everything was new.
and very different from the city.
Very different. In the city, we have cars, buildings, noise.
But in the village, it's quiet.
So quiet. I could hear the birds.
And the animals.
Oh yes, the animals. We'll talk about them.
Yes, we have so many stories.
Funny stories.
Very funny.
Okay, listeners, are you ready?
Let's go to the farm.
So, Olivia, when we arrived at the farm, what did we see first?
Animals, so many animals.
Yes, there were cows, chickens, horses.
And sheep, don't forget the sheep.
Ooh, right, the sheep.
They were so cute.
But you know what was the most interesting?
What?
Milking a cow.
Oh, yes, that was wow.
Tell the listeners about it.
Okay, so the farmer said, "Do you want to try?"
And you said yes.
Yes, I was excited.
But was it easy?
No, it was difficult.
Very difficult.
I sat next to the cow.
And the cow looked at you.
Yes, and it made a sound. Moo!
Were you scared?
A little, but I tried.
And what happened?
I pulled and pulled, but no milk.
Then the farmer helped you.
Yes, he showed me how to do it.
And then?
Then I got milk. But oh no,
What happened?
I got milk on my clothes.
Really?
Yes, my shirt was wet.
That's so funny.
But you did worse.
Me? What did I do?
You didn't even try.
I was nervous.
Ha ha ha. You were scared of the cow.
The cow was very big.
But nice.
Okay. Listeners, let's learn some phrases. We milked a cow.
It was difficult.
The cow made a sound, moo.
I got milk on my clothes.
Perfect. Now, there was another job on the farm.
Oh, cleaning the stable.
Yes, we cleaned the stable.
That was interesting.
Interesting means,
It means not easy.
true.
It smelled bad.
Very bad.
But we did it.
We worked together.
And the stable was clean.
The animals were happy.
We were tired.
Very tired. But it was a good feeling.
Yes, I felt proud.
Me too. Let's teach these phrases. We cleaned the stable.
It smelled bad.
We were tired.
Good.
Okay, Olivia. Now tell us about the horse.
Oh, the horse. That was amazing.
You rode a horse, right?
Yes, I rode a horse.
How was it?
At first, I was nervous
Why?
because the horse was tall.
Very tall.
Yes, I thought, oh no, I will fall.
But you didn't fall.
No, the farmer helped me.
He lifted you up.
Yes, and I sat on the horse.
Then what?
Then the horse started walking.
Slowly?
Yes, very slowly. It was nice.
Were you still scared?
No, I felt free.
That's beautiful.
What about you, David? Did you try?
Me? Well,
Come on, tell the truth.
okay. I was scared.
I knew it.
The horse was too tall for me.
But you tried, right?
Yes, I tried.
And
And I got on the horse, but then
what happened?
the horse moved and I almost fell.
Haha, almost.
The farmer caught me.
So you didn't ride the horse.
I tried. That's important.
Haha, okay.
Okay, let's teach these phrases. I rode a horse.
It was tall.
David was scared. Okay. Now, let's talk about the garden.
Oh, yes, the vegetable garden.
That was fun.
Very fun.
We picked vegetables.
Yes, tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers.
Everything was fresh.
So fresh from the ground.
In the city, we buy vegetables from the market.
But here, we pick them ourselves.
It was a new experience.
I picked a big tomato.
It was red and beautiful.
I wanted to eat it immediately.
Did you?
Yes, it was delicious.
Fresh from the garden.
The best tomato ever.
I tried to pick cucumbers.
Tried?
Yes, I pulled one cucumber, but it didn't come out.
Haha, you pulled the wrong one.
Maybe.
The farmer said, not that one. It's not ready.
Oh, I didn't know.
You have to wait for vegetables to grow.
I learned something new.
Me too.
And my hands got dirty.
Mine too. Very dirty.
But it was okay.
Yes, we washed them later.
Let's teach these phrases. We picked tomatoes.
The vegetables were fresh.
My hands were dirty.
Perfect.
Wow, Olivia, we had so many experiences on the farm.
Yes, it was amazing.
Let's review. What did we do?
First, we milked a cow.
And you got milk on your clothes.
Haha, yes.
Then we cleaned the stable.
It smelled bad, but we did it.
After that, you rode a horse.
Yes, and you almost fell.
Hey, I tried.
Haha, I know.
Finally, we picked vegetables.
Fresh tomatoes, cucumbers.
And our hands got dirty.
But it was fun.
So, Olivia, what was your favorite moment?
I think riding the horse.
That was special.
Yes, I felt free. What about you?
I think picking the vegetables.
Really?
Yes, seeing fresh food from the ground, that was new for me.
Me too.
You know, Olivia, farm life is very different from city life.
Yes, it's harder.
Much harder.
You have to work all day.
But it's also beautiful.
Very beautiful. The air is clean. The animals are nice.
And the food is fresh.
Exactly. I want to go again.
Me too. Listeners, let's learn these final phrases. It was a great experience.
I learned many things.
I want to go again.
Perfect.
Now, listeners, we have homework for you.
Yes, a mini homework.
Write in the comments, have you ever been to a farm or village?
And tell us, what's your favorite animal?
For example, yes, I was on a farm. I love chickens.
Or, no, but I want to go. I like horses.
Write in English, simple sentences.
We will read your comments.
Yes, we love reading them.
Thank you so much for listening.
Before you go, please
Subscribe to our channel
click the subscribe button.
and like this video.
It helps us so much.
And don't forget to comment.
Tell us about your farm experiences.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.